Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Chalk Couture, and I'm ready to change up my board. So as you can see, when you rub on this paste that's been on the board for a while, it cannot rub off. But if you want to remove it, you just add a little bit of water and some elbow grease, and there you go. Now I did spray water, let it soak a little bit, took my scraper, scraped it off, and then picked up what I could with a paper towel and some wipes. And then if there's any ghosting left, I take our board eraser with some water and the wipes, and it cleans right up. And actually looks like a mirror. All right, now for the transfer. The transfer I'm using is Family Beside Us. And I'm using a couple techniques here. Right here, you can either call this blending or hot mess, whatever you want to call it. I'm just using two colors, and I mixed brown, our bark, with shimmer gold. And I think I used daffodil, which is a light yellow. And I just used my finger and blended it in. I just wanted kind of a variegated effect. So that's what I did to make it look like wheat. Now I'm going to use the chalk and pull method, so I can take my time and not worry about the paste drying in the silkscreen netting and pulling up with a transfer instead of staying on my surface. So I am going to chalk the top and then the bottom and save the middle for last. Now, as you can see, as I'm trying to pull this up, it's really, really sticky. And I did fuzz it, but I should have fuzzed it some more from the way it's acting right now. But still, look at that. It amazes me every time I pull this up. I love how it leaves such a perfect print on my surface. And it's not hard. All right, now I'm doing the bottom part, and the other colors I used is bright white, eucalyptus, and shimmer silver. Now my shimmer silver is older, quite a bit older, and it's getting to the bottom of the jar, and it's getting very thick. So I had to really work with that, but I want to use every last bit that I can, so it still worked fine. I love working with our new creamy, dreamy paste. I also wanted that little bit of shimmer for the silverware. I don't know, it's just the way I wanted to do it. All right, now I'm coming back and I'm doing the middle. And when you come back to these places, since you pulled part of it up, just make sure what you're going to chalk is sealed around it. So it doesn't go underneath the transfer and kind of bleed a little bit. And here's the last bit. That is a sticky transfer. And there we go. I love it. Now to clean it, just put it under the sink, wash it with cool, not cold, cool water. And if you need to, you can use the board eraser with it and a wipe. Let it dry, sticky side up.